Hey everyone, how you going? Today we're going to be making a video on how to polish your car and what products I'm using and just trying to clean up this paintwork a little bit. So obviously it's not very nice. I don't know if you can see all the scratches and everything in there, but I've done a little section here and the difference is crazy. So we're going to do the rest of the car and see how she comes up. Might try and do a little bit of time lapse and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so that's the bonnet finished. There's a massive difference. Probably can't really see it on the camera though, but you see this edge isn't finished here. I haven't done that, but I've done the whole bonnet and it is shining crazy. So I'm going to move on to one of the sides here now and see if it comes up any better. There's just marks everywhere, so we'll just try and tidy it up a bit and see how we go. Alright, so we're probably 2/3 of the way done on the roof. Just trying to see if you can see a difference there. There's sort of a line there. So that's all polished. And then that here hasn't been done yet. You can even see in the reflection of the camera the difference. It's crazy, it looks way better. So we'll finish off this side, this door, and then I did that front panel yesterday. So finish off that door and that'll be it. So that passenger side door's sitting in the sun, so we might just move the car forward and cool the door down a little bit before we put some polish on it. Otherwise it might just stick too much and I won't be able to rub it off, so we'll move it in and get going. That's better. Only that tiny bit down there's in the sun, but we're not doing that anyway, so we'll finish off this door and see how she looks finished. Alright guys, so I finished polishing it. I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. It's still not the greatest paintwork, it's real old and it's got dents and scratches, little bits of rust here and there, but it looks so much better than it did before. So now that we finished that, we're actually going to come over here and spray it with some lazy wax. So it's just a spray, rub it in and then rub it off, and it'll just protect it since you've finished putting polish on it. So you can pick this up from any bloody car shop, Super Cheap Auto, Repco, whatever. So we'll spray a bit of that on and see if she shines up. Shake well before use. So I'm just going to spray it straight onto the paint. Couple of little sprays. Chuck this down here. And I'm going to rub it in with this cloth and wipe it off with this one. So here we go. Alright guys, so I've gone over the whole car. You guys didn't need to see me do all of it. You get the idea. It's spray on, rub in, wipe off. These are the 3 products I was using. So yesterday, I actually had the car a full wash down with the Bowden's Nanolicious wash. It works really well. I actually quite like it. And then dry it off. And this morning, while the car's nice and cool, I've gone over it with all the turtle wax. And then rub on, wipe off, make it nice and shiny. And then come over it with the Bowden's Lazy Wax just to seal it. And yeah, it came up awesome. You can probably see it's a bit shinier than it was in the start of the video. So yeah, turned out real well. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, drop us a like, and yeah, see you in the next video. See ya.